Good afternoon, YouTube. How is everyone doing today? Hopefully you guys are better than me. I say that a lot on this channel, I guess, but I really hope you guys are better than me. Not that I'm having a bad day, you know, taking everything with a grain of salt. And as you guys know from last night's video, the transmission blew up in my Duramax, which, no big deal. I was driving it. And, well, I was driving to work last night. Everything's fine, you know. I knew the trans was a little messed up, and started smelling some tranny fluid, and I was like, yeah, you know, maybe it's just getting hot a little bit. Pull in a parking spot, and either my front seal or torque converter puked its guts out onto the ground. So the trans is actually officially cooked, and this is where it shall lie. This is it. So we actually had to we got a trailer, right? We got a trailer last night from a friend of a friend, basically, and we went to go load it on, and it wouldn't fit because of those, because of stance. So it didn't fit on the trailer. So then, this morning, Kenny came back. My buddy Kenny towed the truck. Kenny came back with a trailer and his stock 3rd gen Dodge tires. We swapped all 4 tires in the parking lot, and then put the truck on the trailer. It fit by like a millimeter. There's like ½ an inch to get on that trailer. We got it on the trailer. Got it home, swapped all the tires back. I didn't have a camera. I've been up for like 27 hours now, so I'm pretty beat, guys. Staying super positive though, you know, that's the best thing you can do. I'll see. Now I have footage from last night when we couldn't get the truck on the trailer. I'll cut that in now. It's on my iPhone. I didn't have a camera with me, so I will throw that in here. But basically, you can see there is a wet spot right there, and we didn't even really drive the truck, but it is puking out of the bell housing. I don't know if you can see it. It's not really wet anymore, but basically it's just puking out of the front of the bell housing, all on the ground, all everywhere, on everything, and it sucks. So yeah, I'll cut to that footage now, and then we'll get back to the video. Well, this, ladies and gentlemen, is why you don't drive stance trucks. Ah! Dude, what are you gonna do? Yeah, she's cooked, I think. I'd say. Yeah, I'd say. That's probably it for her, dude. I don't know what the f happened though. Like out of nowhere, dude, just blew the seal or something. Find out soon enough. Yeah. It's gonna suck when they don't help me out on the warranty at all. God damn, dude. Where the f is that coming from? It's coming out of the like weed pole right there. See it at the bell housing? Where the torque converter is? Oh, yeah. It's spraying right out of the torque converter and shit. That's what's happening. Oh shit. So I've yet to hear back from the transmission shop, so I'm gonna give them a call here in a second. I'm waiting for a package that hasn't arrived, which doesn't really matter anymore because the truck's dead. Basically, I'm gonna drive the Fiero again, which I was gonna sell that, which was probably karma because I posted it for sale last night. So that's definitely karma on my part. Yeah. I'm really lost today, guys. I just want to get this video up and show you that the trans is completely junk now. But with that being said, there is like, this is my Fiero. I don't know if you guys are new here, but it's a 1985 Pontiac Fiero GT. This thing just rips. So I'm just gonna let it rip tear chip in this thing for now. Tried and true. Good old trusty steed here. So with that being said, guys, there's a very good chance that I will be doing a full Allison rebuild when I get back. Obviously, you guys know I'm deploying, and I will give you guys a time frame. It's very soon, very soon. I can't give out exactly when, but it's very soon. So expect a change in pace. And I appreciate all the guys that are supporting the channel and staying here throughout the deployment and all that stuff. And I hope all of you guys stay, and I hope the channel keeps growing, because I'm gonna come back swinging. But we are gonna do a full Allison build if the company doesn't help me out and warranty this transmission. I don't think they will, because it's out of warranty. That's all stuff I got to figure out today. It's kind of what I'm doing today. I got some cool other things going on. One big thing. Got to grab my phone. The reason why I was making this video, besides the transmission thing, is we are announcing the winner of the giveaway. Finally picked one last night. Went through random. It was at random out of the subscribers, guys. So it was not, it was completely random. And the winner is Clayton Grissom. I already commented on one of your YouTube videos, and I told you to email me. So if you're watching this, send me an email so I can square up all the addresses and stuff. You won the 50-inch curved light bar, along with a special Christmas present from the Duramax Diesel channel. Probably guess what it is, but I'm still not going to tell anyone. So hit me up, because we need to square that away before I leave. So kind of out of time. So that is it. The giveaway is over. We have found a winner, and so that's that. So congratulations, man. I'm happy to give back to the channel, and it just happened to work out this way, guys. Just like I said, completely random. But he actually owns a Duramax, which is pretty badass, I think, if he still has it. I seen on his YouTube channel he has a video of I think an LB7, which is cool. Not that I would choose anyone over a different person because they had a Duramax. I picked at random. I went to his YouTube channel to get in contact with him, and I noticed the one video that he has is like an LB7 burnout, which is pretty cool. So I'm glad I can give back to another Duramax driver. I know my truck is falling apart right now, and you guys are probably like wondering why I'm not like having a mental breakdown. Well, it's partially because I'm a zombie right now, because I haven't slept in like a day and a half. But other than that, I just, guys, it's, I knew that going into it. And I had a conversation with someone in the comments on yesterday's video, and it's just like, when you build a truck, you sign up for this, You should be expecting this never-ending cycle, which goes back into what should you guys do if you don't want to end up like me. Intake, exhaust, baby EFI live tune, and an EGR delete if your truck is equipped with an EGR. That's it. No more. Don't do anything. That's it. Because the next thing that happens, and what I tell everyone, is after that step, you get a transmission tune. And that is when it goes downhill, because then you can hold more power, you start playing, you start blowing head gaskets, you blow pistons, rings, rods, turbos. It's a downhill cycle. So if you guys want a reliable truck, do no more than what I just said. Okay. Guys, after deployment, I'm thinking might need to expand the fleet a little bit. I actually bought an Isuzu tracker, or Samurai, Suzuki Samurai. So this is my new drive, my daily driver. So that's it, guys. That's it for today's video. No, I'm just kidding. I would really like to find a good deal on like possibly a dually Denali truck, so I can have a tow rig. Because my buddy Kenny just got that dually Cummins, and he towed my truck up here, and it did not even squat with my truck on the back on a gooseneck trailer. So that's something I'm gonna be looking for, finding a good deal on something just to keep it stock, just to drive. I know, impractical daily driver, right? But why would I do anything else? So that's the plan, guys. I'm gonna try and call the shop right now and see if I can get any more info before I end this video. Gonna run in town, send out some more shirts. I want to say thank you guys again for the support. This is not a merch plug, because I don't really need to jam my shirts down your throat, because it's just to help the channel. But basically, if you guys are going to end up ordering a shirt, you got to do it soon, because come like 5 days from now, I'm not going to be able to send any more out. So I apologize all the talking I've done in this video. Let me make some phone calls, let me get into town, and either that will be the end of it, or well, I'll let you guys know on some information. So we'll do that now. Alrighty guys, I'm back home. Called the transmission shop, and or I guess my garage, and they're gonna call the transmission shop as soon as they find all the details. So basically, I will know Monday maybe about the trans. So plan on that for Monday. We'll hopefully have an answer about the transmission. Probably not. They're supposed to get a bad snowstorm, so they've been pretty busy. I sent out a few more shirts today, and that's it. And we got my truck home, which I didn't think was going to happen. So that's really going to do it for today, guys. Sorry this was kind of like just me rambling on about everything, but you know, definitely expect either another built transmission going in, or us on this channel doing a full Allison build. So that is kind of the plan. If we can't get a warranty on it, we're doing it ourselves. I'm not paying no one to do anything anymore. So we can do it. We'll get it done, guys. I'm gonna edit this video, get it uploaded, and then go to sleep, because I need to go to work again tonight. So I appreciate all the support, guys. Thank you all for watching the channel and supporting it with buying the shirts and all that stuff. And you know, just thank you guys. I'm having a blast doing this stuff. Like I said, I know I'm leaving, but it's minor details, guys. We'll come back swinging. We'll do some badass stuff. And I hope you guys enjoy the Duramax Diesel channel, and I hope you guys enjoy these videos, because I am enjoying making them for you guys. So this is kind of like my life now. It's kind of engulfed everything, so it's getting crazy. And you may think I just work on trucks all the time, but that's okay. I just work on trucks all the time. So that's going to do it for today, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video and you want to see a build, drop a thumbs up. If you're new here, please subscribe, guys. We'll see you next time on the Duramax Diesel channel. We're out of here.